Should I buy it? No, you shouldn't. But why shouldn't I? Why should you? Let's find out. Yamaha MT-15 is a popular naked street fighter. When launched in March 2019, it struggled to sell in good numbers. But in time came the positive customer feedback, BS6 engine, and the new color introduction, Ice Flow Vermilion, if I'm pronouncing it right. These all factors increased and boosted the sales of the MT-15, which is now one of the most popular bikes on the Indian market. It's not just the color, but the biking fraternity was slowly realizing the potential of the bike. The MT-15 is a street fighter based on the Yamaha R15, so there's no need to say more about the engine performance. However, we'll go through the pros and cons of the new 2021 Yamaha MT-15 BS6. Advantages. Styling. The design is very striking from any angle you look at it. An aggressive stance and unique look makes you fall in love. At least I did. Up front, the MT-15 gets an all-LED projector headlight setup with dual LED DRLs. The tail light is an all-LED unit, which is neatly integrated and flows with the overall bike's design. The side-mounted grab rails for the pillion could have been designed better, but that does not take away anything from the bike's design. Engine performance. The Yamaha MT-15 gets the same engine that powers Yamaha R15, which is the star of the show. Hardware. It gets telescopic forks at the front and a mono shock absorber at the rear. We have disc brakes at the both ends, but comes with a single channel ABS. Quick acceleration. Yamaha engineers have revised the final drive ratio by adding a bigger 52 teeth sprocket at the rear. This results in quicker acceleration and better power delivery to the rear wheel. Just to inform you, the Yamaha R15 version 3 comes with a 48 teeth sprocket. Talking about some features, it has great features packed too, like all digital instrument cluster with a negative display which provides a hell lot of details like gear indicator, average speed, mileage, trip meters, clock, etc. The bike also features a slip and assist clutch. These were the advantages of the bike. Now we'll take a look at few of the disadvantages. The Yamaha MT-15 gets a single channel ABS, while some of the motorcycles at this price point get a dual channel ABS. Also, the international variant gets a dual channel ABS, which we are expecting soon in India too. Stiff ride quality and cramped seat. The Yamaha MT-15 offers stiff ride quality and the seats too doesn't have much room. But this is not a disadvantage completely, because the stiff ride also equals to better ride quality if you are into maneuvering, cornering, etc. Ergonomic issues. There are some ergonomic issues with the MT-15. For instance, the switch gears are positioned awkwardly and you might need some time to get used to it. Like the horn and indicator buttons are usually in the opposite direction, so you'll have to get used to it. These are some of the advantages and disadvantages of the bike. We'll be looking more into this bike in our future videos. So I hope you have liked it. Do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care, have a good day, stay safe.